Hello everyone, in my today's video I am going to tell you about the factory data reset in your device IQOO Neo 6. So in this device, if you want to do the factory data reset or if you want to wipe up all the data permanently from your device, like you want to erase all the data permanently, you can do it just by following the few easy steps as I will show you in this video. So before we move on to the video, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Now just follow the steps and watch the video and you will learn how you can do the factory data reset in your device.